Welcome to the beautiful shores of Goa. While many know these beaches for their relaxing sunsets and pristine sands, they are also the workplace for vibrant, hard-working local fishing communities. Bringing a heavy fishing boat out of the Arabian Sea and safely onto the dry sand is a massive daily undertaking. It requires more than just brute strength. It takes incredible teamwork, timing, and a fascinating mix of old-school ingenuity and modern mechanical power. Let's watch how they do it. To get a vessel of this size up the sloping, soft beach, dragging it flat against the sand is nearly impossible. That's where the setup comes in. You'll notice a long, heavy-duty rope attached securely to the bow of the boat. This rope stretches all the way up the beach, connecting to a motorized winch anchored securely into dry sand. This engine provides the raw pulling power that used to require the back-breaking labor of dozens of men pulling by hand. But the engine alone isn't enough. This is where the real physical work begins. Notice the square wooden logs being used under the hull. These are absolutely crucial. Instead of fighting the friction of the sand, the boat rides on top of these logs, using them as a makeshift rolling track. It's an ancient technique, similar to how massive stones were moved in antiquity. Watch the fishermen closely. As the winch pulls the boat forward over a log, the logs left behind at the back must be quickly snatched up, carried to the front, and perfectly positioned just in time for the bow to roll over them again. It's a dangerous, heavy dance that requires absolute focus and coordination. It is a perfect blend of tradition meeting modern technology. The motorized winch does the heavy pulling, but the human element, the careful placement of the wooden rollers, is what actually gets the boat home. Slowly but surely, the sea relinquishes its hold. The boat is finally brought high up onto the dry sand, safe from the crashing high tide, resting until the next early morning launch. It's a beautiful, raw look at the hard work and community spirit that defines the Goan coast.